Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Hollandaise sauce in your Thermomix, step by step. This classic, creamy sauce is surprisingly simple to prepare with the right tools. Forget the traditional whisking. Your Thermomix handles all the hard work, delivering a smooth, velvety result every time. We'll cover the essential ingredients and the straightforward process to achieve a perfect sauce in just about 5 minutes. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need to melt about 125 to 250 grams of unsalted butter. You can do this in the Thermomix for 2 to 4 minutes at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius on speed 2, then set it aside. Also, have 3 to 4 room temperature egg yolks, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper ready. Room temperature yolks help prevent the sauce from splitting. Now for the magic. Insert the butterfly whisk into your Thermomix bowl. Add the egg yolks, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Heat this mixture for about 2 minutes at 70 degrees Celsius on speed 4. Then, continue mixing for another 4 to 5 minutes at 70 degrees Celsius on speed 4, slowly pouring the hot, melted butter through the lid's opening. This slow drizzle is crucial for creating a stable, creamy emulsion. Once all the butter is incorporated, your Hollandaise sauce should be beautifully thick and smooth. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning if needed, perhaps adding a little more salt, pepper, or even a tiny pinch of cayenne for a subtle kick. This sauce is best enjoyed immediately. Serve it warm over classic eggs Benedict, steamed asparagus, or your favorite fish for a truly gourmet touch. Enjoy your perfectly homemade Hollandaise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.